Hello everyone. I'd like to start by thanking the firefighters and emergency crews who've been tackling the wildfires across our county borough over the past few weeks. Working tirelessly in challenging conditions, they've helped protect our communities, countryside and wildlife with remarkable courage and professionalism. On behalf of us all, thank you for your dedication and resilience. We're incredibly grateful for everything you do to keep the people safe. Please do not light fires. If you see a new active fire, please call 999, or if you have information regarding deliberate fire setting, please report it to the police on 101 or Crime Stoppers on 0800 555 111. This September at Cyfarthfa Castle, the outdoor cinema is returning with two great films on offer. You can choose to sing along to the ABBA classics in Mamma Mia or step into a magical world of adventure in Labyrinth. Both films are family favourites, so bring a blanket, grab some refreshments and enjoy the big screen in one of Merthyr Tydfil's most iconic locations. For tickets and more information, visit cyfarthfafoundation.wales. A massive congratulations to all the students who received their GCSE results yesterday. You should be proud of everything you've achieved and look forward to the next step with a smile on your face. Also, if things didn't quite go the way you hoped, don't give up. These results are just one chapter, not the whole story. Keep believing in yourself. There are so many paths to success. Congratulations to Merthyr West End Bowls Club on winning the Carruthers Shield last weekend, crowning them champions of Wales. Well done, Wildcats. That's all from me. Have a great weekend and we'll be back next week with another update. Diolch.